ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bianca, your Christian fitness trainer, prayer warrior, and vegan lifestyle coach. So today we're making veggie pad thai, and I'm using stir fry noodles. I already cooked them there. That was the box, and they are done here. The water, but I rinsed them, but those are my noodles. All right, and also I'm using a red bell pepper, thinly sliced. And don't worry, this will be in the description box, the recipe. These are green onions. I use 3, but like I said, don't worry about it. Some eggs from my chickens, minced garlic. You can make them fresh. I just used the container because it's a little late, so less shopping for me. And then I'm using cashews. A lot of these recipes use peanuts, but I use cashews because we all like cashews. And I'll put them inside this bag because I'm going to smash them up. I haven't gotten around to that yet. And then this also calls for cilantro, but I just discovered them out, so we don't eat it without it today, but that's all right. And then for the sauce, all you'll need is some sriracha, soy sauce, fish sauce, which I just used all of it, rice vinegar, and peanut butter. And all I did was put it all in a bowl. I'm gonna mix it together, and then I'll pour it over a pan. So I'll pick you up later because I'm about to scramble the eggs. As you can see, ladies, I'm gonna have to be down. But as you can see, the pad thai is made, so I'm getting ready to serve it. I haven't put on the green onions or the cashews. I'm gonna do that like afterwards with my. All right, ladies. So this is what it looks like in my bowl. I'm getting ready to eat. The kids are already eating, and we have this once a month. Yeah, about once a month. And sometimes I switch out the green pepper for broccoli because I like it that way. Kids don't love it with broccoli, but they still eat around it. So Hannah doesn't. She's the only one in the family who doesn't like pad thai, so she has something different. But what do you guys think? What you think, Caleb? Ladies, thanks for joining me once again. Give it a try and let me know what you think. As always, God bless you. I love you, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye. Bye.